Alright guys, today I'll show you how to do your transmission cooler lines on it's a 2013 Dodge Caravan, my personal van. These are real common to leak. You might see a drip in your driveway or whatever, looking like it's coming from, this tranny, this cover right here, or the bottom pan. Could be that too also, I should say, but these are very common to leak. So you got two plastic clips that pull up right there, and then right behind the radiator. So we have to make this easier, we're gonna take this front grill cover off, and then this whole radiator support bar up top. So I'm gonna start with that. We got 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, little clip, 10, 10, and then 10. Might have these down here too, right here and here. I'm gonna start with that and then go from there. All right, you see I got the bar off. There was two more 10 mils right here. Forgot about those. So that'll just lift off. Now you can access the top and bottom holes right here. See if I can do this on camera here. Just take a pick, screwdriver, whatever you got. Now these plastic pieces just pop right off. I'm not gonna get this other one out without losing it, without doing two hands. All right, I know my phone sucks for this, but take your pick. There's these, you see that move in there. I'm gonna put the phone down to do this, but because these fly off real easy. But on these two sides here, and then on the transmission side, there's gonna be these clips. Be careful, they fling and next to impossible to find. I'm gonna do that. All right, so we got the clips out of all four. This is what they look like. They're all the same. Like I said, be careful when you take them out. They like to fucking fly and hard as shit to find. So now, so this is the part number, dormant part number for new hoses. Transmission cooler lines, whatever. I got a drain pad, and I should have just did this at work, but it might take a little forcing. But all you have to do, where's my line at here? I can't freaking see. There. Once they force, just pull them out. There you go. There's one. I'm gonna try not to make a huge mess in my driveway, but I'll get it. There's two. Get a rag, try to pull that off. Now, where's my, so your transmission, where you're gonna fill it's right underneath this bulkhead harness. I don't know, I can't really, there's a tube right under here. Now that your transmission's not gonna have, it's not gonna have a dipstick. They do, you might be able to find one at a parts store or something, but usually it has like a temperature, it's a Chrysler on these are like a temperature rated deal, and you gotta go by that. I'm sure the specs are online. But I'm gonna get these on, might be bad here, but as you see, it's all wet up top. There's nothing above this, so fluid ain't gonna come from anywhere else but these. But yeah, so these are leaking, and a good way to prevent your transmission to go taking a shit on you. Alright, so now you just put the new ones in reverse order. And we go ahead and do that. Alright, new lines ran. Super easy. They slide right in. Now you got to find a little where it'll catch on one end. It sucks here. And then kind of just wrap the clip right back around on each one. All right, all clips are in. And the new lines should come with these little plastic wheels. Slide those right back over. On each one. Now let's just put your radiator support, upper radiator support back on, and yeah, check your fluids or your transmission fluid. I'm gonna go to my work and do that. But hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.